All right, Mamengwa, you can start whenever you're ready. Can you count me in? Well, for sure. All right, Mamengwa, recording in 3, 2. BOOZHOO, nana BOOZHOO, niemand weendam, oma nungum. BOOZHOO, nana BOOZHOO, niemand weendam, oma nungum. BOOZHOO, nana BOOZHOO, niemand weendam, oma nungum. Please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Hey, miigwech, my girl. Thank you. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today I would like to tell you the story of Name B'nai Gizis. Name B'nai Gizis. Suckerfish Moon. That's the Ojibwe way of saying February. This month is the moon of the suckerfish. So back in the days of the grandfathers, when Anishinaabe, when the original man was getting along, Anishinaabe found out that they were really good trackers. When the snow would come, they could track the Wawashigeshiwag. They could track the deer and hunt them, and they found that they were really good at snaring the Wabuzug. They could follow the rabbit tracks and set snares. So, everybody ate really well at the beginning of the winter. But by this time of the year, the woodland animals, they kind of wised up, and they would move off into the deep woods, and they would avoid Anishinaabe. And pretty soon the people, they started to starve. Well, Name B'nai, the suckerfish, they saw this, and they called up the Gitchi Manadu, the Great Spirit. They said, Gitchi Manadu, our brother, the Anishinaabe, they're starving to death. And Gitchi Manadu hears this and goes, yeah, well, what do you want me to do about it? And they said, Gitchi Manadu, we will offer up ourselves. We will give our lives to the Anishinaabe. You must tell them they should come to the lake, and they can feed upon us, for they are hungry and starving. Well, Gitchi Manadu sees this, and he's just impressed. He goes, Suckerfish, because of your noble sacrifice, I'm going to give you the special power of super reproduction. For every one of you, you will be able to make 100 of yourself. And with that, Name B'nai, suckerfish, became this noble creature. And the Anishinaabe started to come to the lake, and they started to catch the suckerfish and to feed their families and to feed everyone. And so that is why we honor the suckerfish this time of year, for they are the great feeders of our people. I don't know. I think that's how the story goes. All right. Well, you've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I will see you again. Gigawa min, Minawa, Hawa. Hey, hey.